Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Every Day Until I Get Jobs. This is day 84, and today what I'd like to do is, what should I do? Or what do I want to do? To be honest, I want to repopulate or reseed the database because it was not working. Sorry. Uh, Not that it's not working, it was, um, yeah, we need to restart everything because it turns out I didn't, um, I didn't do the migration very well. Now we need to make sure everything's running, make sure that I repopulate the database with some of the data. I should have kept it somewhere, or at least put it in a list of what is it, the things that I want to save as this, what I want, or the resources that I want to put into the database. But I guess I'm gonna keep it like 50. I think 50 is good. I'll try to yeah, I try to do that, I guess. Sorry, what I meant is that I guess not, I won't be needing it necessary to put too much into it. Oh, the other thing I want to test is that would currently as admin, if I sign out, yeah, okay. I think I want to have like a better message when you sign out. I think let's write it down on the things that I want to add as well for better UX, like you are signed out, something like that. Need tools for sign out as well. So okay, restart using database, adding more data manually. So let's do day 84. I want to also test, not test, but like fix the how the page count is being. I think it just increment on every refresh, and I think there has to be a much better way to count the. I think I'm just gonna ask Gemini how to do it because, hey, I have no idea what I'm doing. But yeah, okay. I'm still gonna be using VS Code, I think, just so that it would be visually easier for me to see. Shit, wait. 1 second. And I'm gonna make sure that I didn't use songs that are not from Panda Beats because, okay, it's for Panda Beats, it's fine. Because I get copyrighted in like the previous two videos. So let's try my best not to get copyrighted. Okay. Okay, so what I did yesterday was that remove every migration, created a new one using you're still using the old schema, but it's much better now in the sense that it's not really much better. Everything is in one file. I don't mind that, but we still have this. So, and it didn't really break anything. It's just that I need to redo the database, which is fine because I can just redo it again. So, yeah, that's one. Just want to make sure all the pages are working again. I also watch a few video from Electrician U. I think it was for I forgot what was it. I think it's let's check.
How do dimmers work?
But a lot of stuff. Learn to read blueprints, so turning down the command. Okay, like it's very power heavy, maybe. Okay, and yesterday I made QuickThumb. It's just to grab the thumbnail because I've been using the like all the other one, and those are filled with ads. I make not really. I ask Cursor to create a thumbnail grabber with a terminal UI feeling, and yeah, it's just HTML, CSS, JavaScript, hosted on Cloudflare pages, and yeah, it's working. Let's give this a try to find a video that I guess I used to watch or I have watched before. Damn, he's doing SEO now. Damn, okay, that's cool. But it was um what was it? Yeah. Let's just use this one. Let's share it, copy it, and grab the thumbnail. See? We can save it the file and we can copy the URL as well. So let's image URL it, the URL of the video, the description of that video. Let's just watch it.
You know one thing?
Yeah, I need to learn web scraping, you know? I need to learn web scraping. The author is Electrician U. Okay. Wait. Subject is power system. It is a PTO and create resource. I want to check if the hello, Nicole and Yahoo. Welcome. Okay. Okay, what's the issue here? Ah, wait, I forgot. It's because I need to sign in. Stupid. Okay. Okay, that means the security for the role base works kind of sort of, let's call Scroc for a bit. Fuel resources. Let's add the other resources as well. Okay, they're not running. It's a video and let's create resource. And I guess it was working because I'm not authenticated, so it works. Let's go back here. Let's go back here. Oh, sorry, it's not about. Okay. Board pretty sure. I always see you every day. I was wondering, sorry, I'm just asking, how did you even came up with this project? I guess it's more like I guess because this one is still cache, it doesn't fetch the latest update, even though in the database it's already not sponsored, but it's fine. Okay, I think the other one that I really want to change is how much total page views. Because a refresh, I think every every request would trigger an increase in page views, which is inaccurate. So how can I make it so that, wait, let me check. Yeah. Okay, you know what? Let's just commit this first. Oh, wait, no, we want to test some other things. Wait. Sign out. Sign in. I want to test with a Google account. Wait, yeah, let me not show it because I want to be careful, a little bit more careful. Okay, there we go. Cool. Okay, nice. Okay, the data is still fetched using the old one. I think the browser cat is still caching it or something, but let's like this pose. Let's go to our dashboard and we can see it here. Nice. And if we go to admin, it's not supposed to work. There we go. Okay. Can go to home. And then if we check the, let's go to like boom, which doesn't exist. It's supposed to go to like a 404 or the our custom 404. let's do a pull redo. Whew, okay, this is let's make sure we create another branch to, I think what I want to do, what I want to fix first is fix page view count. And yeah. We can git branch slash d deleted, and then let's check it again. Git status, your branch out. Okay, now we need to create git check out dash b git or like fix view count. I'll go and find our fixes. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try to find where was that part of the algorithm that I use CodeRabbit. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's the code review thing, no? Is it free? This one, right? Code reviews it directly. Okay, we can try that. Code reviews AI reviews within your code editor. How much limited reviews per day? Good morning, sir. Sir, are you applying for jobs, or do you have specific time allocated for applying to a job? Yeah, when I'm not streaming, I would. Okay, that's cool. So we use it here, or where do you use it? Like, CodeRabbit. Let's see. Get a free trial. How much? So unlimited public and private PR summarization using the IE is like, okay, let's sign up. But I do not need the I don't need the 14-day trial pro, right? I don't need the pro, right? Yeah, I forgot about this one. Wait. Yeah, okay. I shouldn't show this, but yeah, whatever. It's not the first time I show important documentation in the stream. Always use 2FA, guys. Don't. And there is an extension as well, right? For VS Code to do that. Let's check docs.
Hello, my name is Hasid and I'm a founding engineer at CodeRabbit. In this video, I will introduce CodeRabbit and walk you through its features. CodeRabbit is an AI-powered code reviewer for you and your team. It can help cut your code review time significantly by providing AI-driven contextual feedback and catch bugs sooner that might have made their way to the base branch. CodeRabbit kicks off the review with a summary of the changes, characterizing the changes into easily understandable bullet points. Next, CodeRabbit generates a technical walkthrough of your pull request with details of what changed. Here you can see a helpful table for human reviewers to build a mental model of the changes. If there are linked issues, CodeRabbit can parse through them and provide an assessment of the changes that were addressed in this PR.
Wow.
It also has the ability to suggest possibly related issues. If CodeRabbit deems it worthy, it provides a sequence diagram for the changes going into this pull request. The last section is a fun little AI-generated poem about your changes. It is something to do with what changed in this VR. CodeRabbit not only diligently reviews your changes, but also provides one-click fixes right inside the code reviews, saving you a trip back to your editor. We understand that reviews can sometimes be off-point. You can chat with your favorite code review bot to get clarifications. CodeRabbit will work with you and suggest improvements to its initial review comment. Here you can see the developer and the Rabbit came to an amicable conclusion at the end. One more feature I want to showcase is CodeRabbit's ability to add learnings. You can tell the CodeRabbit bot to remember something about the code base, and it will use that learning in the next review. Here the developer mentioned that they have changed their ways, and CodeRabbit was able to recall the old learning and update it based on the new instructions. That's all for today. Thank you for listening in.
Integrates with Git. Apply doesn't have open source. Okay. Do I need to do something? No, right? Like, I can still use the free one, right? Well, and one thing he always tells me that sending the M in coffee chat to those experienced seniors only helps a lot. Okay. I will. I don't know if I could do that. I think I should, but okay. Okay, that's cool. Do I need to? Okay, let's try um the what is it again? Uh, 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 uh. Is this like the okay? MCP server installed. Yeah, we have the MCP server. Wait. Hmm. I do not want to use the. Wait, yeah, wait. Also, I don't want to use the pro plan. I just want to. Will they like bill me suddenly? I don't want to. Okay, let's try to open a pull request and see Cold Rabbit in action. Okay. Free only. Okay, good. Okay, I don't want to pay stuff or use the uh Seriously, I had a typo in the this is embarrassing. Okay, wait. Let's just do this first. Wait, yeah. Will it trigger an import? Yes, please. Okay. That's it, right? No other changes? Oh my god. I'm so embarrassed. Okay. That's so embarrassing. That's it. Nothing changed, right? Just the name. Based on the code, nothing changed. This is also changed because of, yeah, remove that and change it to that name, but the position is still the same. Okay, wait. Um, Okay, so this is the suggestion from Gemini, is that we track the user, and what do we do again? Count the view if the same user or anonymous session hasn't viewed the resource in the last 24 hours. Okay, for logged in users, we'll use their user ID. For anonymous, we use a unique ID stored in browser cookie or visitor ID. That's already defined. Okay, so your already defines a views table. Okay, let's try to check um, the schema. And then we have views table. Wait, I don't have views? We have resources, we have likes, we have bookmarks, which apparently is not being used, and sponsors. Okay, wait, can be no for anonymous user. Okay, wait, so we need to change the schema first. Okay. Okay, wait. Oh, okay, we don't have the views tags yet, so I think I'm gonna ask. Okay, wait. The server action. So consider moving this function to. Yes. If so, what does it do? So it's basically like a directory website where it's just filled with other websites or another link basically. Uh, it's basically a directory website for electrical engineering resources because I'm an electrical engineering student or was, and I would like to kind of show and like appreciate. No, I just want to share all of these resources that had that had that helped me learn and finish through college basically. So yeah, and why not make it into a directory website? Because yeah, pretty much learning a lot of stuff on how to make it, how to create it, handling the front end, back end, and all the other parts. So that is very very cool. I thought it would be very simple, but it turns out it became too complicated, too fast, too soon, and a lot of it is my fault because I want to add this feature, but oh, it turns out it's not that easy to implement. You need to do this, and that, and you end up changing 20 files, and then you broke the database. You need to restart the data, but again, yeah, things happen. But yeah, it's been great. I don't know, to be honest. Ooh, I currently have an online business. Nice. What would you like to make? Yeah, okay, I can understand why. Next time, I'm just gonna separate it, the main schema object, and then the like the relation. Okay, so we need to do another migration, but let's keep it that way first. And then I need to change and modify the server action as well as the use effect, I think. Okay. I really need to brush my hair. Okay, this is not a good way to do it, I guess. Let's see how that goes. Yes, yes, Odin Project. I tried it before. It's also like an open source like course you can try. It's also pretty good. It's also pretty good for basic stuff. Not really even basic. Like they have projects, and I think they have. They're actually pretty good. I would say setting up like Git, setting up all the other HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as well. And they have like a path for Ruby and Rails with or Node with Express, and yeah. Oh, Node. Okay. Yeah, it's also pretty good. Cool. Okay, this is nice. Okay, we still have this get property, and that is wrong, and this set property that also use await. Okay. Do I need to use a wait for that? I think. Okay, wait. Okay. Um. Hello, Maksud Ismailov. Welcome. Welcome and thank you. Although, as the title suggested, it is what it is. Coding every day until I get a job. Basically, just trial and error. Okay, I guess we can try it. We can try to run the... Oh god, please do not break again. Please don't break again, okay? Okay, PM DB. Great. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh god, I really... Oh, oh, thank you. Thank you. Let's see if we break anything. Okay, so we created a new migration. Just, yeah, edit the table, adding the constraint, all the keys, creating the relationship, blah, blah, blah. That should have done that. Okay, cool. No migration error. Oh my god. Oh my god, I was so relieved. Okay. Okay, the next one is, let's check. Okay, this one has 60 views. Let's go here. Physics with calculus and see if it's added, because it's not supposed to be added that fast. Okay, let's go back here. I think it should not add it, but let's go to check admin. I cannot because I am not admin. Okay. I want to be a programmer so bad. I've been for 2 years and I haven't found a job yet. The worst thing, I don't know English very well. What what do you want to program? Maksud? Well, it's true. I think being able to speak, understand, and like learn English is a one way to, how would you say it? Like it is definitely an advantage to learning how to code, because a lot of library, a lot of documentation, a lot of resources, video, books, and everything are in English. And I think understanding English would be very beneficial when you want to learn how to code, and I agree. But I think with AI now, with like all the LLMs, I think it would be easier or much better to implement, like, or at least to understand and to learn with your own native language, I think, because they are trained based on languages, and I think it would be beneficial. No. What I meant to say is that I think with LLM you can learn much better with your own language compared to when LLMs are not as popular. But yeah, I'm with you, man. I haven't found a job as well. That's why I'm doing this stream. Okay. Let's go to sign out. So I think the page view count, it is much better. Doesn't break anything. Let's sign in. But for sign out, I think I want to have a much better. Like I'm like logged out, like at least a pop-up or something. Let me check. Yeah, I think it got caught off. Maybe I need to add some padding to this, like padding top, so that it has some space between. Yeah, I forgot to update. Wait. And then if we go back to the main page, it should be updated, and there is no that. Okay, cool. And if we go back here and test it on other browser where it is not logged in or signed in, I think we should still be able to see the number increment. Ow. Okay, I think it's already working. Nice. Okay, let's add another resources for. Mhm. And I think this is gonna be like the compang and psi part because it's MDN. I think a lot of like AI APIs or like AI tools are getting cheaper. Like I mean, of course, training your own would be much more expensive. You need a GPU and all of that. That part is expensive. But I mean, if you want to utilize the LLMs, I think the APIs are very cheap. I think there has to be someone that make an app to yeah, like how they price. Like I think the cheapest right now, let's just say 500. Okay, of course if you do like this many, I mean you can self-host like smaller models, like the Llama models or like the Mistral or like the Gemma. Okay, this one is not updated to the latest one. I want the latest one. Who would be the author of MDN? If it's an open source collaborative, how would we say the author is? Who authored? Mozilla? Let's just do Mozilla. Let's do Node. Okay, it's a different kind of node. Never mind. Let's do Mozilla, okay? Mozilla. Okay, it's a subject, comp, and sci. It is a website with and then also a course, I think. And create. And if you go back here and check local hosts 3000, there would be the end, and I would need to sign in. Nice. Okay. One view. Let's see if it would add one more view. Refresh. It's gonna add 2 views, and I hope it's not adding any more. Yes, okay, good, cool, that works. Kyrgyzstan. I'm 23 from Indonesia. Oh, I really would love to visit Kyrgyzstan. I've seen like the beautiful image. Okay, wait, do I need visa if I want to go there? Wait. Sorry, I typo. Sorry. Damn, I need visa. Yeah, but I think you can use like I think Google Gemini API is very cheap for the amount of like tokens and the amount of output and input tokens. I think one of the cheapest one as well. Like, okay, let's see. Okay. It's Gemini, and let's see how much is the pricing. Get started. Okay, they don't really show too much pricing, do they? Okay. There we go. Okay, please show us. Oh, okay, but it's visa on arrival. So there we go. Okay, so you can have like free tier to like experiment, and then once you have like users, or if you have some budget, you can try to use the costs. We're going to image and video generation as well. That is cool. Fantastical flying pig. Okay. Okay, I think we can commit this change into changing the need to fix it. Okay. Can I still like the pose? Let's say I wanna dislike this pose. Dislike, and then I go back here. And then I go with the MDN, and then I go to like the MDN, and I go back here, here. Cool. Okay, the lights are not updating yet, but I know if I go here, at least the like state is working, yeah. Cool, okay. It does update, it just need a bit of a refresh. Okay, see? Cool. Nice, okay. I think we can commit that. Boom, boom. Oh, wait, I need to unstage for all of them first. We can delete the commented one. Save and then stage them. Okay, wait, do I need to remove anything that is not necessary? Remove that. Yeah, it's all just messy, but it's fine. Commit. Publish branch. Okay, wait, I don't want to publish the branch yet. Let's try to okay, what I want to have another one is the sign out. And where do we have like a come back auth card? Yeah, okay. Let's shut off the dev server and do one more thing. The other part that yeah, before I Give me your GitHub username. Oh, my GitHub username is okay. Let's test it. I think it should be working by now. Let's go refresh. It's mostly empty, nothing too interesting. This project is currently still private, but how do you manage like or fund an open source project? Okay, let's see the signed up. Signed out successfully. Nice. Okay. And if we go sign in again and then go. Okay, I guess we have a much better sign out as well. And then, so the footer links, I remember. Yeah. Some of the footer. So I don't have Instagram or YouTube right now, but I do have set up a TikTok account because that's one of the main like what do you say, like it's one of the main area that I want to like post the app, like, you know, market it, like a place where I want to market them. So I think I'm just gonna change the Instagram and add a TikTok there. So let's go to Twitter and see if Lucid React have like a TikTok. Do they have like a TikTok? They do not. Okay. Lucid React TikTok. Let's see. Do they have? Wow, okay. Damn, do I really need to use this? Good luck to you too. See you some other time. Thank you. I can use the music just so that. Yeah, let's just use the music. Copy. Do I just need to use music too? Let's check it out. Okay. So let's see. Where is it? Is it linked? Is it linked? Yes, it's linked. Okay. So for Instagram, I think what we can do is we can just hide it first. For YouTube, we can also hide it. But I want to copy this. Oops, sorry. We can do yank and then so social Twitter. Okay. We can paste it here. We can name it. We can comment out the YouTube. I think it's this one. Yeah. Is it safe? Is it safe? Is it safe? This is opening. This is closing. This is opening. This is closing. Okay, good. Now we need music too, actually. So yes, we just need to. Icon, span, and TikTok, and then target blank as well. Yes, correct. Target blank. Target blank. Okay, let's see if that works here. There we go. Cool. Nice. Now, most of the feature and most of the fix that I want to add is done. Okay. Okay, I guess that's it. We can. Oh yeah, we want to do a pull request first. Oh wait, we want to check the responsiveness of this. Oh, okay. I forgot. I need to make this a bit more responsive as well for the individual pages. let's do that as well. While we're at it. Assalamualaikum. Hello, my friend. How are you? How are you? Okay, let's make text box responsive. Okay, there we go. Okay. So I think we need to make good a bit kelingan though. Siapain? Damn, that's crazy. Golf sendiri. Sama siapa? Saya lupa. Diving atau main langsung? With some friends. Driving. Rame nggak? Ya tapi pasti rame sih ya. Kalau hari Minggu. Crazy. Top tier performative male. Enggak tuh. Crazy. Taktik apa lagi nih? Baca boy anjir. You know what, for this? That is insane. Insane statement right there. Nightwing, Nightwing. Aduh. Si Nightwing emang the healthcare. The was it the DCU, man, DCU. Okay, I'm too lazy, and I identify myself as a vibe coder now. So what I want to do is just I want to let the AI do its thing. Wait, yeah, wait. Resources, and it's page resource view. It's the resource view, right? Yes. Do I have a work slash SVG? How to share this photo, man? Gimana ya? I don't know. I don't think you can share it here. Coba bentar ya. Wait. 1 second. Bro, let me share it to you and show the stream. Okay. Wait. Yeah, wait. I'm gonna DM. I'm gonna DM you. Wait 1 second. This guy, man. DC. What is this guy doing, man? Okay, wait. What is the name? I forgot. Hmm. Boleh mana? Wait. Do you have mana sih waktu itu servernya? No, not this one. Mana Pak? Wait, yeah. Okay, I'm too distracted. I'm gonna ask AI. And by AI, I mean my senior. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry. Okay. Sabar. Okay. Let's full on vibe with this one. I still want the proportion to be balanced and the text readable. No need to change layout, just the size. Okay, man, this guy is chronically online. Just the size. This is full on vibes, by the way. I'm sorry. I could just say it much more. I don't care. Okay. I'm probably gonna regret this, but yeah. Okay. Really nice too. Let's do that. What is this guy sending, man? Wait. Okay. This is most of the audience are male, so I don't think this is a good. Most of my audience are male, but if there is a percentage that is a female, which is very, very low, wait, yeah, wait. This is my friend. So if anyone is single and this is my friend, by the way. Wait. This is my friend. Wait. Let me. This is my friend. So if anyone is interested with this man over here, I've known him since I was 12. No, like 10. Damn, holy shit. I knew this man since we were kids. So yeah, if you're interested, he is straight. So this is for the ladies. Which, what am I doing, man? But yeah, see, for the 5 people that are inside here, that probably there's at least one woman, statistically. But there you go. This is my friend, and he's single. And oh my god. There you go. Holy assist. Crazy. I trust it. I trust it. So let's see how good it is, because Claude is usually pretty fucking good with the UI changes. Let's see what's the diff here. Some of it's just additional, some just additional Tailwind classes, I would assume. So let's try to see it again. That is much better. That is way, way better than this one. Okay. Thank you, Claude. That is fantastic, actually. Like button still works. About page still works. This looks much better. I would say this looks much better. Thank you, Claude. Then if we go to check submit, let's check the responsiveness of submit as well. So we have the bento grid. Is really cool. I like that, but it turns into just a single row into that. Okay. Cool. Let's go back to the individual page. Let's see how that works. And if we go here, there we go. This looks much better than what was before. So thank you, Claude. That is amazing. Okay, I want to see the other resources with the like a longer title. Oh, sorry. Tagihan dugem nggak tuh? Bisa-bisanya ya. Okay, I think the other one, okay, make text most responsive, done. Waduh. What the, what? Okay. Anjir. Ada raba-rabaan, mana ada? Okay, I want to try one more thing. Wait, I want to try a few more things and then I'm gonna be done. Because pretty much all of the okay, if you add new sponsor. Um, create the sponsor and see how it will look. Okay, I guess that's pretty cool. What else could we add here? I think that's it. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for tuning in to another Coding Every Anti-Guided Job. We did quite a bit, fixing the page view count, adding sign out for adding like a toast for the sign out, changing footer links, making the text more responsive, the layout a bit more balanced. Thanks for Claude in the like mobile viewport. And yeah, I think that's it. Terakhiran lah. Okay, I'm gonna do it right now. Have a great Sunday, everyone. Hopefully a great week ahead. To another Coding Every Day Anti-Guided Job. Bye.